Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is about the new Dromornis and the remodeled Terror Bird. Yeah, Terror Bird. Oh, sorry about my birds. They always make noise. You're going to be hearing them all the time. I mean, as long as I don't have my quiet place. So this is my other quiet place for me to do the voice thing. Whatever. Let's get to the video. This is the baby Dromornis. Here's its walk. It's call. Oh, that's a quiet call. Very quiet. The sit. Eat. Eat. Hurt. Pretty nice. Hurt. Eyes. You don't need to really check the eyes. The eyes are boring. They're never new. I'm gonna grow up. Come the male. And then here's the male Dromornis, adult. Here's its call. Also a not loud call. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of that call. Not a big fan of this bird either. Eat, sit, eat, hurt, and display. I meant display. Okay, display is fine. Here's green. Here's run. Running now. Okay. Now let's check the female. Both the animations are probably going to be the same, right? Okay, this is a female. Yep, the female. That's the female. I like the colors way better on it than the male. Looks like a duck. I mean, it is kind of like the closest relative to a duck. Oh, that call is louder and better. I like it. Here's the set. Here's the eat. Here's the hurt. Here's the display. Oh, at least the display is different. And the pre is probably not. Yeah. So, we check another bird? The remote. Yeah. Ooh. Not as chunky. The older one looks like a chicken nugget to me. It has a little fluffy thing on its back. There's legs on its back. Here's its run. I like it way better than the old one. I like the run. Oh, there's the swim. You grow up. Let's see the adult. Hopefully it's good. Whoa. I like its beak. Wait, it has sickle claws? That's actually cool. I like it. I'm gonna try to get a close look at the claws. Wait. Oh, okay, now I can see the claws. Here's the claws. Do they look nice? Yep. The preen and the walk. Oh yeah, and the run too. And also the jump and the fall. It T-poses. Why is that? Well, this is a new Calican. However you say it. I don't know why, but I'm so bad at pronouncing it. Well, should we check the fossils? Or should we check the old one real quick to see if it has like a different beak, like the older beak? Because I remember its beak being hooked. And same with the Dodo remodel. It had a different beak when it was still old, but then it got even more of an update. Oh. No curve on the beak. Just a beak. That honestly looks nothing like its beak. Okay. I mean, at least it looks good still. It's still pretty good. They probably did it just in case if anybody wanted to be the old version, just like with the Archaeopteryx and the Dodo. Okay, the preen. I like the preen on this one. See how it like pulls its feather? Yeah, I like that. Okay. I think we should get to the end of the video. I mean, towards the end of the video. But I forgot that we need to do the lab. I'm here at the lab, like always. Okay, so let's check new evidence. Yeah. Let's do Geononis. Refreshing. Very good. Oh, there's a Dromornis, a male Dromornis. That's its call. I thought the penguin was big. This penguin was big. Now that I see the Dromornis and the terror bird, the carnivorous one, it's even bigger. Very big. It scares me. Okay. So this appears to be a jaw fragment. Yeah, you could read it if you want. These are jaw fragment. I really want it to be some sort of raptor, like the Archaeopteryx or Microraptor and the small raptor, flying raptor things. That's what I want it to be. So that's a jaw fragment compared to my face. Probably gonna be something small. Let's check where it's gonna be coming from. Oh, this one's from the Cretaceous boundary. Okay, so there's even a higher chance of it being a dinosaur now, which is good. Wait, aren't birds dinosaurs? Well, like a bird with a tail, like a long bony tail, like the Archaeopteryx, because I like those. I like raptors. Okay. Well, I think we should get to the end of the video. Yep. Get back to the top. And back. Follow up the Dodo skeleton. Bye. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe, okay? And also, like the video. And also not to forget, please like and subscribe, I'm desperate. And I'm trying to get a lot of views, okay? I want to get like 300 views, okay?